you're trying to, you said it yourself before that you tend to pull it a little bit. As far as backstroke goes, it's pretty good, as far as on the line, straight back. But as you said, the pop stroke that you have, when you're coming forward a little bit, left shoulder and everything seems to come up and out of it. And that's kind of what pulls everything left of it a little bit. So as you go ahead and set up, we're going to try and keep
hit it or practice?
Take a practice stroke first. But what we want to do is we want to try and keep that putter head a little lower to the ground through the golf ball.
Rather than coming up?
Yep. Yeah, rather than coming up, because we want to try and feel this stay lower. So go ahead and take a stroke. Yeah, we want to feel almost this hand as if you're pushing it into the cup instead of physically hitting the golf ball. Yep. Now, we don't necessarily need the railroad tracks because you're never really outside of the line, but a good visual just inside, so you can kind of lay one down your target line there and just to be able to see it. Yep.
Okay.
Got a divot there. There you go. Oh.
Yeah. Felt a lot better.
Yeah. Yeah, we just want to feel that left shoulder. Yeah, almost stay a little lower, so it's more of that right hand pushing motion. That's actually a pretty good rehearsal for you if you're to hold your hand right on your chest here, and just with your right hand, feel everything. Feel your shoulders and chest moving a little more around your spine versus just kind of straight up and out of it a little bit.
Okay.
There you go. Good stroke.
Yeah. Rolled a lot better too.
Like that one. Now that's kind of that high missed left there that you're talking about? Yeah. Alright, so what we want to do here, we're going to take a little drill and just slow everything down, because as you start to get, made a couple decent swings in there, but as you start to get comfortable, then you want to hit it a little harder, as we all do, and kind of get that up quick. So if you go ahead and set up like we hit one, we're going to just take a bunch of basically punch shots, and we want to just get to that left, get your left side through the golf ball there, but we're going to do that by shoulders hands. So when you go ahead and take it away, same thing we're working on, tricep up against the shoulders there. We want to feel this whole thing rip through it and get to that left side. Now part of that, you said your right knee doesn't really hinder you a little bit. Maybe in the back of your head though, it might a little bit, because you kind of get hung on that back leg a little bit, which makes it real easy to flip and kind of get that ball going left a little bit. So if you at address, take your feet and just fan your feet open a little bit. That's going to open up your hips a little bit and make it easier to turn your hips. Toes out a little bit. That'll make it easier to turn your hips, and it'll take a little strain off that knee.
Okay.
Yep. So go ahead, back down again there. Sorry if I grab your pocket.
Yeah.
Right, so what we want to feel is feel this hold here, and those hips kind of start turning through the ball there.
Okay.
Yep. That move first, then everything else can follow.
Then everything comes with it.
Yep. And then that's going to get that club inside instead of that steep kind of outside in almost. Yep. Out and out. So let's hit a couple balls. Take 3 or 4, and all we're going to do is kind of half swing. Waist tight, feel the hips. Everything turn to that left side first, and that's going to clear out all that room for our arms. Kind of swing out away from our target to the right side of it. How'd that one feel?
All good. So just think of that.
Yep. Well, not the slide into it. We want to get that, almost that, if you're thinking about that left pocket, we want to think that left pocket, we want to turn that behind us.
Okay.
Kind of get that out of the way.
And then everything comes Alright, so I like that move there. What I want you to do, make that same movement with the hands,
hands look, or I'm sorry, with your body.
Yeah.
But what we want to try and do is just try and feel those hands. Go ahead, stop. You're gonna hit one. And like we talked about earlier, just the grip there. We want to think about these hands a little lower through impact. Try not to get upright so quick. Right. So try and just keep them a little lower, almost like you're flighting something down a little bit.
Half swing or full?
Half swing, same thing.